We will use this slinky spring to study the properties of transverse waves. Attach a ribbon to the middle of the spring as a marker. Lie the spring on the floor and stretch it. Flick one end of the spring sideways to send a transverse pulse across the spring. Observe the motions of the pulse and the ribbon. How do the pulse and the ribbon move? If we stretch the spring more to increase its tension, how does the speed of the pulse change? Now, flick the end of the spring continuously to produce a transverse wave. Observe the motions of the wave and the ribbon. How do the wave and the ribbon move?